Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create Figma designs using AI. First, understand that AI tools are revolutionizing design by automating many tedious tasks. They can generate initial layouts, suggest color palettes, and even create entire components based on your input. This integration significantly speeds up your workflow, allowing you to focus on more complex problem-solving and creative aspects of your project. It's about working smarter, not just harder, to achieve polished results in a fraction of the time. To begin, you'll need to select the right AI plugin for your Figma workflow. The Figma community offers a wide array of options, so take some time to explore. Consider what you want the AI to do: generate text, create images, or perhaps assist with layout structures. Reading user reviews and checking ratings can help you choose a reliable and effective tool that aligns perfectly with your project's requirements, ensuring a smooth and productive design process. Once you have your plugin installed, the fun begins. You'll typically interact with the AI by providing clear text prompts or inputting specific data. For example, you might ask it to create a landing page for a tech startup or generate 5 variations of a button component. The AI will then produce design elements or even full layouts. Remember, this is an iterative process. Review the output, make adjustments, and refine until it perfectly matches your design goals. After the AI has done its initial work, it's time for human refinement. Use Figma's powerful native tools to fine-tune every detail, ensuring consistency across all elements. Check typography, color palettes, and spacing to maintain a cohesive brand identity. Collaboration is key here. Share your AI-assisted designs with your team for feedback. Finally, export your polished Figma designs in the necessary formats, ready for development or presentation, showcasing the power of AI in your creative process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.